भारताची अर्थव्यवस्था पुराय काबार जाल्या आणि हे आसात मनीस निर्मित संकश्ट, अनौपचारिक विभाग पुरायपणान कोसळ्ळा अशें आसूनय सरकार म्हणटा जीडीपी उदरगत वाड 5% आसा। प्रत्यक्षांत पळोवपाक गेल्यार जीडीपी उदरगत वाड 5% न्हयत जाल्यार 0% पावल्या। अर्थतज्ञ आनी काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो दोतोर गौरव वल्लभान आरोप केला। भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्थेची सद्यस्थिती ह्या विशयाचेर आयोजीत केल्ले परिशदेंत तो उलयतालो।
दोतोर वल्लभान दाखयल्ल्या डेटा प्रमाण जीडीपीची वाड 0 परस सकयल्ल्या पावंड्यार पावल्या। पळयात।
I'm saying GDP is not 5%, GDP is 0% or maybe negative. Why? Because in GDP calculation, only formal economy is taken into consideration. Informal economy, as per State Bank of India, is dipping down by around 7% per year. So, and in our country, more or less 50-50 formal, 50 informal. So when 50% of the economy is coming down and you are just saying that 5% GDP, this growth is only of formal economy. It is not of informal economy. So GDP growth is not 5%. It is negative GDP growth at which we are moving right now. So this is not crisis, this is man-made disaster, and GDP is not 5%, GDP is 0 or negative. And I had a deliberation with a lot of experts, they have to agree, because just informing all of you that while calculating GDP, the MCA corporate data is only taken into consideration. The informal economy data is not taken into consideration. When formal and informal economy is growing together, that is not going to create problem, because we can say that the proxy of informal economy is formal economy. But when there is a problem in informal economy and formal economy, these things are going to happen.
सरकारान घेतिल्ल्या बँकांच्या विलीनीकरणाच्या निर्णयाक लागून एनपीए 6 पटीन वाढला अशें ताचें म्हणणें।
When we say that NPA level was 2 lakh crore into 2014 when the UPA left the power, and today it is 12 lakh crore, why it had increased by 6 times? What is the answer, you know? They will say बैंकों को मर्ज कर दो। अब आप बताइए, 2 weak institutions merged is going to create a strong institution. If 2 weak institutions are going to merge, is the weak new institution will come or a strong new institution will come? But this, why it has been done? Because next day you want that everybody should not talk about NPAs, everybody should talk about bank mergers, so that decisions was taken.
ह्या वेळार वल्लभ अमेरिकेतल्या ह्युस्टन शहरात जाल्ल्या हावडी मोदी कार्यावळीचेर उलयलो।
Mobile is now, all degrees are available on mobile. And in our country, majority of the population knows everything of everything. If you ask that what is the problem in Chandrayaan, there will be at least 1 million experts. If you ask what is the problem in economy, there will be 10 million experts. Although this is another thing that they don't know how many zeros are there in millions. So US was doing Namaskar Modi. I had also seen. Country had seen. And I had seen that program of Howdy Modi. In that program, Steny Hoyer, who happens to the leader of majority, he was introducing our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And you know what was his first statement? That Indo-America relationship is based on democratic and secular views of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is not my statement. The person who was introducing Honorable Prime Minister.
पणजेच्यान आमचो मुखेल खबराकार ग्लेन कोस्टा आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख।